The male Northern Cardinal has red feathers and a sharp pointed crest on his head and black mask around their beaks. Females are warm brown color with some red on their wings, tail, and crest. They prefer dense thickets, shrublands, woodlands, and even backyards with plenty of trees and shrubs. Their range stretches from southeastern Canada through the eastern United States, Mexico, and all the way down to Guatemala. They are omnivores whose diet consists mainly of seeds, fruits, and nuts. They especially love sunflower seeds. Cardinals are monogamous birds that mate for life, and the female builds a nest, which is usually a cup-shaped structure made of twigs and leaves and grass. And they lay 3 to 4 eggs, and both parents take turns incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks. One year I remember, right outside my office window here, they built a nest and raised some chicks in some vines growing on a post right outside the window. It was fun to watch.